Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is our brand new Discord server and our membership service as well. Okay, we just started offering memberships on our YouTube channel because a lot of people ask for that. And this way we can prioritize the answers to people's questions, okay? We're at a point where we're getting hundreds, and I'm not exaggerating, hundreds of comments per day on YouTube. And the way I'm doing it is that all the comments are on hold until I approve them. So I have to read every single comment first. And when there are hundreds of them to approve, it takes a while. I spend a couple of hours minimum every day just approving and approving and approving comments. I answer some of them, okay, if the answer, if I have a quick answer in my head right away. If it takes a lot more research, eventually I might get to it. But now the number of questions is so overwhelming, it might take a very long time for me to answer all the questions. So, and that's why I'm offering the membership system, so that if you have a question that you really want to get answered, and I can answer it within 24 hours typically, then when you become a member, you can post your question on the Discord channel. There's a ticket system that I'll show you in a minute, and I will answer each ticket typically within 24 hours, unless I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of questions, but I don't expect that for a while. So that's one way for you to get answers faster. So you can join. There are 3 levels of memberships. The first 2 levels are very affordable. Most people should be able to afford them. I'm trying to make this affordable, okay? I'm not going to become a millionaire with the membership. The idea is to try to help people that have pressing questions that need an answer as fast as possible. It's just that it was okay for the first few months on YouTube because we didn't have so many questions, but now it's becoming overwhelming, and I have to find a way to help people that really want to get an answer right away. The reason I have to tell you this. The reason I have to approve each comment is because there are so many spammers and scammers on YouTube. Yesterday I saw a guy that started sending comments, and he copied my logo and the name of the channel. So he's got another channel called DeFi Crypto Today with my logo. There's nothing on this channel, but he's trying to scam you guys, okay, and probably try to steal your money if you interact with that guy. So be very careful, and that's why I go through every comment one by one to make sure that they're not scammers. So I hit the flag so that YouTube knows that these are bad people and that they're blocked. Okay, I'm trying to protect you guys from getting scammed, okay? And I want to preserve the reputation of the channel. We're trying to build something here. We're trying to build a nice little community of people. So, you know, I want to avoid problems with scammers and all that stuff. All right, now some people had trouble joining. Okay, right now I'm on a computer, obviously. So if you're using a computer, doesn't matter what computer, you should be able to see this join button. And the join button will appear under each video as well if you're on a computer. On a phone, that's a different story. If you are on Android, I checked with a friend who's on Android, there's a join button. Okay, so if your phone is an Android phone and you're watching one of my videos, you should see a join button if you're interested in joining and becoming a member. Okay, if you're on iOS, no, sorry, your phone will not show you the join button. I don't know what's wrong with Apple. Go ask them. I don't know. They don't allow this feature. So it doesn't work on the app itself. Okay, the YouTube app on iOS doesn't have a join button. I don't know why, but it's like that. And even if you try with Safari or Chrome within iOS, I didn't see a join button either. Maybe that will change in the future. Maybe it's, I don't know, a bug or whatever. I don't know. On the iPad, what I tested is that on the app there's no join button. On Chrome there's no join button. But if you open up the YouTube channel on Safari, there is a join button. So you figure it out. Okay. So, but the easiest way is to get to a computer or an Android phone. Okay, those should work. There are 3 levels. I don't know if I'm going to see them here. Let me see. Yeah. So the 3 levels, right now it says Taiba, but you'll see it in your own currency in your own country. So they're very affordable. Okay, except maybe level 3, and level 3 is because those are for people that want one-on-one live Zoom or any other application video with me, because they want to ask me questions face to face online. Okay, so that's more time consuming and more expensive. So that's why this membership level is has a higher price. But the first level is pretty affordable. I'm pretty sure most people should be able to afford this. Level 2 gets what they can ask me for special videos that are exclusive to members of this level. Okay. Level 1 and all levels will have once a week a live AMA. Okay, AMA is Ask Me Anything. So I'm going to be online live, you're going to see me, and you can chat on the side and ask me questions, and I'll do my best to answer as many as possible. It's probably going to last 30 minutes to an hour, something like that, depending on how many questions we get. And it's going to be every Sunday. I did a survey. There's a little poll on the community tab. Okay. If we see here, you guys wanted it on Sunday, and you guys asked me to do it weekly. So I'm listening to you guys, and that's what we're going to do. Right? Okay, now let's look at the Discord server, since we talked about that. So welcome to DeFi Crypto server. We have all these little rooms here where we can talk and do stuff. Most of them are empty right now because I just set this up. Gradually, we'll put more and more information in there as needed. As you can see already, several people managed to join. Okay. And see, like there's a global chat here where I would prefer if people would talk to me in there, so I don't have to run around in all the various channels on the server. You'll find me in global chat most of the time when I'm online. When I'm not there, it's because I'm sleeping. Okay. And also there's a neat feature called create a ticket. Okay, so if you have a question and you really want an answer and you want me to take care of that, you can create a ticket, you can ask your question, and I'll do my best to answer within 24 hours. Okay, right now we don't have that many members. I think we have over 20 something. Okay, so that shouldn't be a problem to get your answer within 24 hours. But I don't know, maybe at one point we'll have a few hundred members or more, and maybe we'll have a lot more tickets. So we'll see as the time goes and what happens, right? So anyway, this is more or less what we've got here. There's room for a lot of stuff we could do in there. We could do video chat, all kinds of stuff inside here. Discord is very flexible, can do a ton of things. But this Discord is exclusively for members, so you have to be a paid member to join. Okay? Why am I doing this? Lots of scammers on Discord. And lots of people are going to send you a message and they're going to pretend to be me, or they're going to pretend to be, I don't know, a moderator that on the channel, and they're going to try to scam you out of your money. Okay? I want to avoid that, and that's why we have a members-only Discord channel. Okay? So only paid members can get in. And we avoid the scammers because usually scammers don't want to pay. All right? They want to take your money, they don't want to give money, right? So that's the point. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget to download the book. There's a free book. Explains things for beginners and more advanced people as well, on easy strategies that we talk about on several videos. And the link is in the description below. Easy to find. If you don't want a free book, go on Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me $1 later. See you.